Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into one of the classic debates in the programming world, Python versus Java. Two giants in the software development arena, each with its own strengths and quirks. So let's break it down and help you figure out which one might be the best fit for your next project. First up, let's talk about design philosophy. Python is all about code readability. It's designed to be clean, concise, and easy to understand. This makes Python an excellent choice for beginners or anyone who values simplicity. You can write fewer lines of code and still get the job done, which is a huge plus when you're trying to keep things streamlined. On the other hand, Java focuses on minimal implementation dependencies. What does that mean? Essentially, Java aims to be as portable and maintainable as possible. This often means more boilerplate code and a steeper learning curve, but the trade-off is that your code can run on virtually any platform without much hassle. Now let's talk about execution. Python is interpreted, meaning you can run your code right away using an interpreter specific to your operating system. This makes testing and debugging pretty straightforward. Java, however, takes a different approach. You first have to compile your Java program into bytecode. Then the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, steps in to convert that bytecode into platform-dependent machine code that your computer can execute. Sounds like a lot of steps, but this process makes Java highly portable and secure. When it comes to application domains, both languages shine in different areas. Python is currently the go-to language for machine learning and data science. Its vast array of libraries and frameworks makes it a favorite among data analysts and AI developers. Java, conversely, dominates the mobile app development space, especially for Android. If you're looking to build robust, scalable applications, Java's your guy. So which one should you choose? The answer depends on your project's needs. If you're a beginner or if your work involves a lot of data analysis or AI, Python might be the way to go. It's user-friendly and highly versatile, but if you're developing enterprise-level applications or mobile apps, the robustness and portability of Java could be a better fit. In the end, both Python and Java have their own unique advantages. Understanding these key differences can help you make an informed decision and choose the right tool for the job. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.